We are pleased to show you the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.